Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can make $7 every 7 minutes. The way you'll be making money today is with this website here. The way this website works is similar to a way a site like Dropbox or Google Drive works. They allow you to store files to the cloud. The difference between this site and other sites is that this site will pay you whenever you share your files with other people. Now, the way this works is that people are shown ads before they download your file. File upload is paid for showing the ads, and they give you a small cut. Now, if we scroll down the page a little bit, we can see how much you get paid when people download your files. As you can see, it's split up into 3 groups. If the people downloading your files are from the US, the UK, or Canada, you can earn up to $7 when people download your files. If they are from Saudi Arabia or the UAE, you can earn up to $3 as well. And you will also make $3 from any other country that downloads your stuff. If we scroll down to the bottom and we check out this link here where it says proof of payment, we get a list of users and their most recent payments, which is actually pretty cool because it's not something that you see often. You have a general idea of how it works. Now, how do you get started? It's pretty simple. Just scroll back up to the top of the page and click on the sign up link. Then set up your account. Once you set up your account, you can start uploading your files. Now we have to figure out where we can get these files and where to share them so that people can download them. So the site I will be mentioning is freeplrdownloads.com. Now, if this sounds familiar, I brought this up in another video. This is where we will be getting our content. So just as a refresher, this site allows you to download ebooks for free. These ebooks range in topics, which will come in handy a little bit later. Choose your ebooks, download them to your computer, and then make sure you upload them to Free Uploads and grab your share links. Okay, so where do we put these ebooks so that we can get people to download them and you can make bank? So the first site, and the site I talk about often, is bestblackhatforums.com. I've used this site for quite a few years now, and if you need traffic, this is one of the places to go. Here, let me just show you my account just so you can see that I actually use this site. Here's all the threads that I've created promoting courses, and as you can see, they've gotten quite a few views. The section we'll be targeting on this site is the section right here, PLR MMR products. As you can see, this is a dedicated section to giving away ebooks, and as you can see, it's very active. So what you'll do here is start a thread, create a title, and the title can simply be the name of the ebook, and then you'll want to go ahead and add the description. All you have to do is copy and paste the description that was on the product page for the ebook. Then after that, just add your download link and you're done. Now, I do want to mention that your thread won't post right away. It usually takes a few hours before it shows up. So don't get frustrated if you don't see your posted thread right away. Your next option is Facebook groups. There are a ton of groups on Facebook where you can share the links of your ebooks. You can look for general groups like these here, or you can look for niche specific groups to give yourself more options for sharing your ebooks. Go ahead and join a few of these groups, but make sure you read the group's rules before posting. Each group will have different rules, so make sure you read through and follow them. That way you don't get banned. Your posting format should be similar to the way you would post on the forum. Okay, so there you have it, another easy way where you can make a few dollars online. This won't make you rich by any means, but if you need some quick cash, then go ahead, check this method out, and get yourself set up. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and found it useful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this out with anybody who you think will find this video useful. Links for everything talked about today will be down in the description box below. Also, you'll find a link to my #1 recommended way to make money online. This is what I use to take care of me and my family, so be sure to check it out as well. Alright, that's all I got. See you in the next video. Take care.